Hello everyone, my name is Pandurang Chavan and welcome to my channel Tech Skill Coach. Over the last several years, I have worked closely with Agile team, developer, product owner and project managers, helping them deliver software using Scrum and Agile practices. One question I frequently hear from professionals is, how can I become a Scrum Master and actually get a job? Today, I can going to share a complete roadmap based on real industrial experience, not just theory. In this session, we will cover Agile fundamentals, Scrum Framework, real responsibility of Scrum Master, tool use in companies, Agile metrics, AI usage, and salary and global opportunities. And at the end, I will also share how you can become a job-ready Scrum Master with real hands-on experience. So common problems: certification without experience, no tool knowledge, no real project exposure, weak agile mindset. Let me share a reality from this industry. Every year, thousands of professionals take a Scrum Master certification, but many of them struggle to get interview. Why? Because companies do not hire Scrum Master based on certification. They expect someone who understands how Agile team actually work, how to remove blockers, how to guide the team, how to measure delivery using metrics. So the key is not just certification. The key is practical Agile understand and real world application. So Scrum Master is not just a role. It is leadership position inside Agile team. Organization across industry like banking, e-commerce, healthcare or SaaS companies, SaaS means software as a services companies, are adopting Agile framework. Why? Because they want to deliver product faster and respond to customer changes quickly. And for that they need strongly Scrum Master who can guide team and remove obstacles. That is why this role was excellent career growth and global opportunities. So Agile values customer collaboration, iterative development, continuous feedback, adapt to change. Before we talk about Scrum, we must understand Agile. Agile was introduced because traditional project management models like waterfall had many limitations. In the waterfall model, the project lifecycle looked like initialization, planning, execution, monitor and control closing. I will repeat again: initialization, planning, execution, monitoring and control and closing. First we gather requirement, then designing, then development, then testing and finally deployment. So first we gather requirement, then design, then development, then testing and final deployment. This process could take 12 months or even longer. The problem was that customer requirement after changing during this time. So by the time the software was ready and product might already be outdated. Agile solved this problem by introducing short development cycle called iterative or sprint. Instead of waiting 1 year to release this entire product, Agile team delivers small working feature every 2 weeks. This allows company to collect customer feedback quickly, adjust product direction and reduce project risk. This is why Agile has become a dominant delivery model in modern software development. So Scrum component, role, event and artifact. The Scrum is the most widely used Agile framework. It provides a structural way for team to collaborate and deliver value. Scrum is built around three main components. First, role. Second, event. Third, artifact. These elements create transparency and allow team to continuously inspect and improve their works. So Scrum roles. There are three roles major: product owner, Scrum Master, development team. Let us understand the roles. The product owner represents the customer and manage the product backlog. The development team build the product and the Scrum Master act as a servant leader and facilitator. The Scrum Master does not manage people like a traditional manager. I am repeating again. The Scrum Master does not manage people like a traditional manager. Instead, the Scrum Master enables the team to perform at their best. So Scrum event. There are four major event: sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. So Scrum event create a regular rhythm for the team. Sprint planning define what work will be done in the next sprint. Daily Scrum help the team synchronize the progress and remove impediment. The sprint review demonstrate the product increment to stakeholder. Sprint retrospective allow the team to reflect and improve continuous. These ceremonies are essential for maintaining transparency and collaboration. Then the core responsibilities. So facilitate Scrum event, remove blockers, coach agile practices, improve team collaboration and support product owner. Many people misunderstand the Scrum Master role. They think Scrum Master only organize meeting, but in reality, Scrum Master play a critical role in involving team effectiveness. For example, if a developer cannot access a system or API need for development, the Scrum Master work with other department to resolve the blockers quickly. They also help the team adopt agile practice and improve their working process over time. So some of the agile very important matrices. So important agile matrix: velocity, burn down chart, cycle time, lead time, defect rate. Experience Scrum Master also track agile matrix. So matrix help us understand how effective the team is delivering the value. Then velocity show how much work the team can completed in sprint, and burn down chart show sprint progress as well as team progress. Cycle time measure how long it takes to complete the task. These metrics help team continuously improvement their performance. Now the certain tools are there to use Scrum Master: Jira, Confluence, Azure DevOps, Power BI, Miro. The modern Scrum Master rely on tool to manage agile projects. Jira is commonly used to track user stories and sprint progress. Confluence is used for documentation and presentation. Power BI can be used to build agile dashboards, and Miro is for designing dependency matrix and program boards. This tool create transparency and help stakeholder track project progress. Now the major part of this is newly introduced, that is AI for Scrum Master. So user story, AI use cases, user story generation, sprint summary, meeting notes, agile insights. So artificial intelligence is become a powerful assistant for Scrum Master. For example, using tool like ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot, we can generate user stories, summarize sprint meeting, and properly reports. We can prepare reports automatically. AI helps Scrum Master focus more on team collaboration and strategic decision. So let us see the small demo, As a as a product manager, I can use AI to quickly generate structural agile artifact. So I am going to designing login page. Let me give a prompt to generate an epic feature, user story, and sprint backlog for a login page for shopping website. So I will show you that demonstration. So I have already prepared this prompt. Okay, so in that prompt I have given all detail actually. See, act as a senior product manager working in the agile Scrum environment for an e-commerce shopping website. I want you to generate the structural agile backlog for the login page functionality of the shopping website. Please structure the output clearly with the following scenario. So epic, functional feature, I need to generate acceptance criteria, okay, a sprint backlog, task and subtask also, okay, QA testing part, definition of done, and so on. So just I have given 4 to 5 point. Okay, now I will just copy this GPT and I will paste over here, and just I want to press run button. Okay, so immediately within a second, okay, fraction of second, you get entire list. So don't want to spend more time on this creating a story, epic, subtask and all, acceptance criteria, success criteria and all. So see here, epic generated, epic name, epic description, business value, success criteria, functionality feature. So here is a description what functionality is, feature 1, email, password, login. Then this acceptance criteria also shown. If you need more acceptance criteria, you can write over here. This is actually sample. So then feature second, forgot password, then social login, Google, Facebook, through then we can log in to that page. Then remember me option, account validation security, feature error handling, for error handling acceptance criteria. Then user story, how you can create user story on Jira board. So user this thing, story ID, user story description, acceptance criteria, the priority and story point. So story point will discuss in the meeting with product owner, Scrum Master and development team in grooming session. So you cannot consider this story point, but it's okay. Then sprint backlog, forgot password, social login, this remember me, these are all the story you can generate. Okay, so this entire list has given, so just you have to copy and paste. So we will come back again. So earlier, creating an agile backlog used to take a lot of time. We had to think about epic, feature, user story, task, everything manual. But now with AI tool like ChatGPT, this work has become very easy and fast. Within a few seconds, we can generate the complete backlog with the proper structure, user story and task. This helps us save time, improve productivity and focus more on real problem solving instead of documentation. So AI is not replacing us, it is helping us work smarter and faster. So Scrum Master, product owner and project managers will not be replaced by AI, but AI will make them more productive. So now the salary part. Okay, so Scrum Master salaries are very competitive. Early entry level Scrum Master in India can earn around 6 to 12 LPA. Then middle management, he or she can earn around 15 to 25 LPA. and senior level as a agile coach and more than 10 years experience person can earn around more than 30 lakh per annum. So depend upon your experience, depend upon your knowledge, the salary will get it from the market. So for Scrum Master, there are global opportunities, US, Europe, Canada, and remote job also. Okay, the demand for Scrum Master is not limited to India. Many global companies are hiring professional remotely. This means your skill can open opportunity across the world. Now the part is certification. Okay, so certification are useful to understand the framework, but remember, certification should be combined with practical experience. That combinations make you truly job ready. So to help professional become a job ready, I created a structured training program, the 35-day Job Ready Scrum Master hands-on training program. Focus on practical learning, real project simulation, tool trainings, AI for Scrum training, and interview preparation. So if you want to build a strong career as a Scrum Master, I invite you to join this program. Together, we will work on real agile project and develop the skill companies are looking for. Lastly, thank you so much for watching my video. Your support really means a lot to me. If you found this video helpful or learn something new, please take a moment to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss upcoming videos. I am creating more content related to Scrum, data analysis, and project management to help you learn and grow in your career. Also, I truly value your thoughts. If you have any question, suggestion, or topic you would like me to cover, please write them in the comment section below. I read every comment and I will definitely reply to you. Your feedback and support motivate me to create better content for you. Thank you again and being here, and I hope to see you in next video.